Are you tired of that bright NinjaTrader interface straining your eyes while you trade? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch NinjaTrader to dark mode in just a few simple steps. It's easy, fast, and perfect for a more comfortable trading experience in 2025 and beyond. First, open your NinjaTrader platform. Once it's up and running, head over to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. You'll find it right at the bottom. Inside the Settings window, look for the Preferences section. Expand that, and near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Skin. By default, it's usually set to NinjaTrader. But don't worry, that's exactly where we'll make the change. Click on the Skin drop-down, and you'll see a few themes to choose from. Options like Dark, Light, Slate Dark, Slate Gray, and Slate Light. Since we're going for dark mode, select either NinjaTrader Dark or Simply Dark. Once you've picked your preferred dark theme, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Now, here's an important step. You'll need to restart NinjaTrader for the changes to take effect. So, close all open windows, exit the platform, and then reopen it. After you sign back in, you'll immediately notice the sleek, modern, dark interface. It's much easier on the eyes, especially during those long trading sessions or late night chart reviews. And that's it. You've successfully switched NinjaTrader to dark mode, a small tweak that makes a huge difference in your trading comfort and focus. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick and easy NinjaTrader tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.